Hello again. So now we are on unit 2, right? So shall we do some exercise concerned with the habit of reading? I think you may remember the paragraph because it's very short. Right? So now let's do the exercise concerned with that. So let me share you the PowerPoint that I'm preparing for you. So the first one is classifying the following activities into good habits and bad habits. Okay, good habits and bad habits. ဒါတွေကကောင်းတဲ့အလေးထားအကျင့်တွေလေဒါတွေကတော့မကောင်းတာအားနည်းတာဆိုးဝါးတဲ့ habits တွေလေဆိုတဲ့ဟာကိုသူကရေးပြခိုင်းတာပါခွဲပြခိုင်းတာ so I want you to do that one in your book in your textbook ထဲမှာဖြေလို့ရတယ်เนาะ because it gives you the space လေးပေးထားတာဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက်ကြောင့် so like 2.2 writing ma good habits are my body family. So before we go that, I would like to read all facts and habits for you. So the first one is eating lots of sweet and chocolate. Eating lots of sweet and chocolate, going to bed late, reading books, doing physical exercise, eating fruit and vegetables, eating with dirty hands, praying to Buddha, getting up early in the morning, brushing your teeth after eating, and taking a bath regularly. Okay, so you have to choose which are good habits from this list, and after that you have to write it down. ဒီတဲကနေမှာဘယ်ဟာတွေက good habit လဲဆိုတဲ့ဟာကိုရွေးရမယ်ရွေးပြီးတော့ကြမှာဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရမလဲဆိုရင်ဒီ good habits ရဲ့အောက်ထဲမှာရေးပေးရမှာဖြစ်တယ်။ပြီးတော့ဆိုးဝါးတဲ့ habits တွေဆိုရင် bad habits ရဲ့အောက်ထဲမှာရေးပေးရမယ်။ Okay, so let's move to the next one. The next one is my reading habit. So you have to answer each question by writing a few sentences likeတကယ် short answer ပေးမဲ့အစားသူကတော့ဒါဒီငယ်လေးပေါ့နော်စာကြောင်းလေးတစ်ကြောင်းတော့နှစ်ကြောင်းလောက်ပေးတာမျိုးပို့ပြီးတော့လိုလားတယ် because to practice your writing. What habits do you already have? So is the question is simple. What's your habit? What's your habit? Like that. So me habits ka ba le bya? And it's like that. Okay. And the second one is what are your favorite books about? What are your favorite books about? So if you like reading, what is your favorite book about? So what is your favorite book? And tell me a little bit about your favorite book. And the last one is, do you read every day? What are the benefits of daily reading? What kinds of benefits? So you have to tell it. So in the textbook, there is just one line to answer. So I think it is not enough space for you. So I suggest you to write it down in your exercise book. And let's move to the 2.4 speaking. And I skip listening တခုကိုကြော်ထားခဲ့တယ်ဗျာပြီးတော့ဒီလိုပြန်လာပြီးပါမယ်အခုက speaking လေးကိုကြားလိုက် When you talk about the pictures you can use the following questions to think about. So in that pictures like in that page or in that part အဲ့ဒီအပိုင်းမှာဆိုရင် you may see two pictures. So ပုံလေးနှစ်ပုံတွေ့ပါလိမ့်မယ်ဗျာပထမတစ်ပုံကတော့ like they all are reading. And another one was like at the library or bookstore or something like that. အဲ့ဒီမှာဖြစ်နေတာပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့အဲ့ဒီပုံကြီးအကြောင်းကိုပြောတဲ့အခါမှာ what you need to do is you can mention about these questions ဒီအကြောင်းတွေဒီ question နဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးဖြေပေးလို့ရပါတယ်ဗျာ the first one is how many people are in each picture and where are they, what do you think, and what are they doing, and what differences can you see, and how many differences did you find? So you have to look at the pictures and tell the differences of each. Okay, so this is all about the exercise concerned with the habit of reading. I hope you may understand and see you in the next video. Bye bye.